Hey friends, if you wish to install Docker on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and then go to turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down and find Windows subsystem for Linux. Check this button, click on OK. Let it install. It will need a while. Meanwhile, open your browser and search for Docker download. Hit enter. Click on install this option and then select the correct option. Okay, you also have it on the Microsoft Store, by the way, and it's easier to install it from Microsoft Store. But again, the reason it doesn't work for other people is because they do not, what do we say, turn on Windows subsystem for Linux. So you have to do that part first. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.